most crucial part of production is the audio part, and the Hollyland company has really been doing an amazing job. And today we take a review of the Hollyland Lark M2 dual wireless microphone. This lavalier microphone is one of the most trending right now in the market, and it's competing with a DJI pocket microphone. And today, let's just take a look of what is inclusive of this package as a whole. And just from the looks, this is a really good looking product from Hollyland. And it comes with the two microphones, and that is why it's the duo. And this is how small they look. This is one of the smallest microphones personally I've ever seen, and it's magnetic. It has the magnetic attachment to your clothing, so you can be able to attach it to your clothes, and you don't need to use pins. You don't need to use a lot of connections to use. So you can just do like this, and yeah, there we go. So this is how it looks, and it also comes with the receiver. These are the two transmitters. We call them the TX transmitters, and then we have the receiver. The receiver, you can be able to use it on your phone, and you can also be able to use it on your digital camera. So with this receiver, this is the one you connect to your camera. So when you want to connect to your DSLR, this is the one you use. And you also have the lightning transmitter. This one can be used by people with the iPhones and the iPads. You can be able to connect and use your microphone, and it also comes with the Type-C. So you can also be able to use the Android phones and anything that receives with the Type-C part. And in the package, it comes with two amazing windscreens. This one really helps in noise cancellation. Of course, the microphone itself comes with noise cancellation options. So when it's on, it is blue. It gives a blue light. But when you press the noise cancellation, it turns to green. Yeah, it turns to green. And when you are using in noise cancellation, you can be able to use in any kind of surrounding where you don't need the extra noises. And it also comes with these two back clip. If you don't feel like using you don't feel like just clicking on the magnet thing, you can be able to also use these two back clips. So if maybe I'm the interviewer and I have an interviewee, so we can just click this on their clothing and then just use the magnet behind the microphone, and boom, it's ready to go. So let's assume I'm clicking on this clothing, so I'll just be like there, and yeah. So it basically depends on your style. And still on that part, apart from these two clip-ons, it also has this necklace. What do I call them? They call them the Lark M2 necklace. So you can also be able to, if you just choose not to attach it on your clothing or not using the clip, you can also just use this necklace. Let me just show you. Yeah, so you can just comment and I'm good to go. So I think this microphone is one of the best microphones for your clandestine purposes. So maybe you want to record something, and I'm not saying you should be recording things you're not supposed to be recording, but when you want to record something without being noticed, I think this is one of the smallest and one of the best microphones that I've seen in the market right now. And also it comes with the TRS cable for the camera. So this you connect to the transmitter, the one I showed you in the beginning. This one, you just connect it there, and then you click this other part on your digital camera, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, and also in the box it comes with, this amazing bag where you can be able to store all your equipment inside your bag and just move around. And I think they also considered some quality on this, because this is some very hard material and it's waterproof. It's only that I don't have water here. We would have tried, but it's also waterproof. So it comes with this amazing bag, and also it comes with with some amazing stickers for your laptop, for your camera, and yeah, it comes with these stickers. And I also believe that you can just stick them on your microphone. Like, imagine I just do away with this logo and attach these fire stickers, and it will really look nice. It also comes with a guide. You need to use the guide, powered by Hollyland, manufactured in China. And yeah, the Chinese really update themselves in this, and then it just gives you, or now you can be able to use it on your camera. You can be able to do noise cancellation, the video recording control, with the mode switching from the camera to the RX only. So basically, you can also just use this one directly to your phone, because now I'd prefer using this one over this one. In as much as they are the same thing and they do the same thing, I think this one has some better looking thingy. So just connecting it on your phone or on your camera, and yeah. Plus, it's also help reducing the bulkiness of using the big microphones for some short interviews. So imagine you're just doing a small interview and then you're using big microphones, and yeah. And also this microphone at large, the whole thing. Let's just do a test, and then we can be able to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. How would I personally rate this? As a person who has been using different kinds of microphones and interacting with the different companies, how would I be rating this? So let's do some testing, and then after that we'll be able to do the ratings. Meanwhile, subscribe, follow me on all social media. My name is Lester Taylor, and make sure you leave a comment and what do you think about this specific microphone. Remember, this video has not been sponsored by anyone, but we are just doing reviews of, is it worth the hype, and is it really just there to float the market? So let's take a look, let's test, and then adios.
A few moments later.
Perfectly done, guys. So that is the review of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone, and it's one of the smallest microphones, as I said before, and this sound is coming directly from one of the microphone located on my chest, recording to my phone, and we will be testing next on how it will be working on the cameras. Meanwhile, guys, subscribe, follow me on all social media. My name is Lester Taylor, and this is your favorite review video of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. Adios.